Hi guys, welcome to class. So how do we control and prevent this bacterial infection? So the principles of the prevention and control. See, ideally, if there's going to be any intervention, you understand, if there's going to be anything special that will eventually be done, so more like I've looked at the protection, so control. Okay, so now prevention / control of bacterial infection. So now, like I said, we can bring about control of bacterial infection. How? You see, one way of doing that is by the food and water we drink, essentially. You want to stop bacteria in its tracts. Ensure you drink water from clean sources, safe sources, sources that satisfy hygienic conditions. The food you cook, if you are going to be the one to cook it, make sure it satisfies hygienic conditions. So also your environment, let your environment be clean. Your surrounding, put more energy in making your surrounding clean. You understand? So these are ways your clothes, wash them often, don't let them harbor bacteria. So bacterial hypocritus, they are everywhere, but there are means by which we ourselves can control and prevent even coming down with infections. Also, try to eat good fruits, because if you are immunocompetent, your immune system is working perfectly, you should be able to stage resistant to simple common bacterial infections. So you don't come down with it. When I mean come down, it means that you are so affected in terms of physical wise, and your health is taking a hit by virtue of this bacterial infection. So try to avoid that. Eat good food, take fruit, and also try to mitigate stress. Don't be in a situation of always stressing out, always working late. From time to time, take enough rest, take enough sleep. Those are the ways you can boost your immune system. Live in a clean environment, cook in a clean environment, eat good food, and the water you drink, ensure it's from safe sources, it meets hygienic conditions. If there's going to be a principle of an intervention for any bacterial infections, these are the ways, these are the things that will be put in place to prevent, because even in an endemic, this is how you prevent further spread, by instituting all these in places. Now, there's something we do in the laboratory to measure the growth of bacteria, because it's very highly important. So see the next class where we'll be discussing the two major methods employed in the laboratory.